Hello everyone! Let's talk about 5 foods that improve your digestion. The first food is papaya. Papaya contains a powerful enzyme called papain. This enzyme is a protease, which means it aids in breaking down protein. Sometimes our guts have old waste stuck in them, and papain will come to the rescue. This makes the journey of food through your digestive system faster and more efficient, giving you relief from bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. You can eat papaya raw, or you can drink a glass of papaya juice. The second food is watermelon. Hydration, hydration, hydration. There's nothing more important for fast and easy digestion. Think about it. When it's all dried out in there, no wonder it's not moving. Watermelons are 96% water. So not only does this fruit hydrate you, it also gives you important electrolytes, like potassium and magnesium. These electrolytes help to balance out the pH of your gut so that the digestive process can work optimally. The third food is chia seeds. These tiny little seeds are a true gem when it comes to gut health. They contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. This means they add bulk to your stool and make things down under get moving. But that's not all. They also have a special ingredient called mucilage. Mucilage is a type of soluble fiber that absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance. This helps to lubricate the intestines and make everything run smoothly. It's also great for people with IBS. Number 4 is peppermint tea. Peppermint has been used for centuries to soothe the digestive tract. It's great for relaxing the muscles of the gut and relieving indigestion, bloating, and gas. You can drink peppermint tea after a meal to aid digestion, or drink it before bed to relax the gut and promote better sleep. The fifth food is apple cider vinegar. When it comes to digestion, apple cider vinegar is like having a personal assistant. It helps with so many different things. First, it can help break down food and reduce the risk of indigestion. Second, it can kill off harmful bacteria and parasites in the gut. Third, it can help balance the pH of your gut so that you can absorb nutrients more easily. You can take apple cider vinegar in a few different ways. You can drink it diluted in a glass of water, or you can use it in salad dressings or marinades. There you have it, folks. These 5 foods are like a little army, a digestive system, working overtime to keep things running smoothly. Remember, a healthy gut means a healthy you. So give these foods a try and see how they work for you. And please remember to consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.